Alrighty, what's going on, guys? So here we are. We're back in the shop today. We're gonna hopefully install a Y bridge today. We're gonna try. I've got good friend Zane over again. He knows a lot more about this shit than I do, so it's always nice for me to just kind of have some security here. That way, if I fuck some shit up, he can fix it. But if he fucks shit up, and well, if he no, most of the time he can fix it. But if he can't fix it, then well, I guess we're fucked, huh?
Shit.
Here we are. We're gonna try to give you the best. I guess I'm not gonna say how to, but I guess kind of a general synopsis of what to do, what's going on. So we took off our intake. He's unplugging all the wiring harness and shit like that, and just getting shit. You're ready to move the wiring and everything out of the way. With that Y bridge that I ordered, we're gonna basically be deleting all this. I believe this is the boost tube, isn't it? Yeah. Down here's the boost tube, and we're basically replacing all of this. And getting rid of the factory Y bridge. Yeah, we're gonna bring you along, and hopefully you can get some entertainment or learn something, or if you're thinking about doing a Y bridge install, I mean, hopefully this video helps. Hell yeah. Last time he was here, I dropped his damn socket down in there. Mind if I borrow this? Well. Alright, so tell us here, when you're filling on these, do they just need to be able to free spin, or will they have wiggle room? I mean, how are they supposed to be real tight?
Supposed to be pretty damn tight. Really tight,
okay. I mean, that's pretty fucking tight. I don't know. I mean, you feel it and tell me.
Side to side, or up and down, or in and out.
No, I mean, that motherfucker, it's all there.
We can look. You can see how tight that blade touches that housing?
Yeah, oh yeah.
I mean, it's like right there. That's why it can't move hardly any.
So I guess it's healthy then, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Sweet. So on the oil, where the fuck does all the oil come at? Does the oil come up here, or does it actually get in? I mean,
it's through PCV.
Okay. So when people do a PCV reroute, what initially are they trying to catch all the bad contaminants, or what is that?
No, it's just oil.
So it has.
Basically, anytime that you got your crankcase, which pistons are moving inside.
Yeah.
So air is constantly being displaced inside the crankcase.
So it's just kind of like somewhere for the shit to go, and not. I guess it's kind of like a breather.
Yeah. The old days, you just went on the ground. But the government stepped in. Yeah, we can't have oil leaking out of your truck.
Yeah. God damn, that's a lot of soot in there, dude. But I'm glad that Y bridge is coming out. Of course, it ain't gonna be long before that one's covered in soot.
No, actually, that should no longer happen.
Since I deleted it?
Since no EGR. That's EGR causes that.
Oh, yeah. So what all's next? I mean, what is it? I mean, is there anything I need to do specifically, or?
We need to pull that black pipe out.
This right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's hose back there. This is next. We get that out, then we can pull out the whatever you want to call it, the intake piece for the Y bridge.
Okay.
It slides out the front.
Where's the best way to drain this coolant at, besides just undoing it and letting it fall?
Yeah, basically. That's the best option.
Yeah.
Unless you want to try to get underneath and then hose and hose your.
No, f that.
Yeah, they're not fun at all.
Well, I just need to know, do I need a pan, or not much gonna drip?
Oh no, it's gonna drip. You gotta go.
Without ripping?
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about. So that's the one you were talking about that sometimes rips? Yay.
I wonder if I'm hitting the drain pan.
Probably not.
It's never very good to the drain pan anyway.
That's fine. We can wash it out. I mean, this shit's right in the fucking way. You're probably thinking, you don't even know the half of it, dude. And I'm like, well, I know enough to know that shit's right in the fucking way.
Basically.
Yeah, you're at the fun part. Okay. Do you have any tips and tricks for the audience that may be interested in trying this on their own?
Don't.
He said don't.
Pull the cab.
Pull the cab, goddamn.
So much easier.
Oh yeah. Alrighty, so now the factory Y bridge is out. All that fucking soot and carbon buildup in there. But so yeah, we got that out, and we're gonna go get the new one and see how it looks. You know, Zane, I guess it'd be a good time to tell you I got you the instructions ready. Damn it. Dude, we're doing it wrong. Golly. That's what I'm talking about. Alrighty, so the pusher, fun fact, the pusher Y bridge, it's all connected. It's one piece, if I remember correctly. This one, it has screws, so that's different. Yeah, so you know what you're doing. I don't know what the f. Alright. Yeah, and then stuff that in there. I guess this is the one that goes up top. Yep, I'd imagine. Try and move this out of your way for a little bit. So we got the Y bridge back installed, or Zane did, not this Zane, that Zane. But with all that being said, he got it back in. We got the old one out, new one in, and we're going back with everything. We're almost done. Went ahead and put in new thermostats by Mishimoto while we were here. Shout out to them. The Duramax, they're our first sponsor for the Duramax. I know it ain't much, but it's something, and I'm happy about it. But with all that being said, yeah, we went ahead and I put in ones that are going to open up at a lower temperature, just because now we're in the hotter weather of the seasons, and it's just one of those deals where I'd rather have something to try to aid in running a little cooler, or, you know, a little bit better. So, but anyways, all that being said, I got the Y bridge installed. We're on the road towards compounds, and that's going to be a long, expensive ass process, but. With all that being said, that's where we're at. We're going back with it, and we're almost done. And you know, we'll go for a drive a little bit in a little bit. Alrighty, so that's a wrap for this video. Like I said, it's not a how-to, but I mean, it's just a general synopsis of what's going on. With that being said, yeah, he basically did it all for me, but at the same time, I got to learn, I got to watch, I got to ask questions, all kinds of stuff. But anyway, it's kind of an idea of what to do for next time, or, you know, or for whenever I get another LMM or, you know, something. But with that being said, Duramax is running fucking great. Sadly, it's not twin turbos yet, or compounds in Diesel's case. Shout out to Mishimoto for sure. Those damn thermostats work pretty fucking good. I mean, they keep it running cool. So, but all that being said, we're gonna close that out here and like, subscribe. Until next time, we're gonna bring y'all either more Duramax or more Camaro content. So, we'll see y'all next time.